What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a shared folder in Google Drive so others can easily access and collaborate on files. To get started, open Google Drive on your browser. In the top left corner, click New, then select Folder to create a new one. Give it a name and press Create. If you already have a folder you want to share, simply locate it in your Google Drive. Now, to make the folder shareable, right-click on the folder and select Share. A sharing window will appear where you can add people, groups, or calendar events by entering their email addresses. However, if you prefer to generate a shareable link, click on Copy Link. Before sharing the link, you need to adjust access permissions. By default, only people with access can open the folder. Click on the Access drop-down to change it to anyone with the link if you want it to be publicly accessible. Additionally, you can choose between different permission levels. Viewer, users can only view the files. Commenter, users can view and leave comments. Editor, users can add, edit and delete files in the folder. If you want others to contribute files, select Editor to allow full access. Once done, click Copy Link and send it to the people you want to share it with. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.